Deep tech technologies are known to be high risk and high gain technologies that will be able to place European industry as a world leader in the next decades. The three main difficulties faced by these technologies are a long time to market access, a need for a high level of investment funds, the complexity and technological risk of deep tech projects. To face these difficulties, one success key is to build a high quality partner networks. EIT Manufacturing is such a network, and the DeepInc project offers to startup into the advanced manufacturing field to build their own high quality network.
Advanced manufacturing is often linked to deep tech technologies, amongst which additive manufacturing is recognized as one of the four flagships of the EIT manufacturing. This field is evolving fast, even in times of deep crisis, and is crucial for European industry renewal. Advanced manufacturing technologies have indeed taken a determining role in improving flexibility and resilience of manufacturing firms.
To tackle this challenge and ease the full integration of advanced manufacturing technologies, RMH Institute of Technology, Politecnico di Torino, I3P, and University College of Dublin have joined their forces to found the DeepInc Network with a common goal, offering early stage startup and SMEs working with and for advanced manufacturing a supportive, responsive, and dynamic environment.
Three online schools open to technology based entrepreneurial projects and startups have been organized in 2020. This DeepInc Schools series has been built with various industrial external partners and has addressed three main topics: business creation and innovation management, design and creativity processes, investment readiness. Startup teams were trained, mentored, and challenged by researchers and experts from different domains, such as project engineering, advanced technology processes, innovation, and business development, as well as by investors of our network.
The participants also took part to several social events. The 3D hackathon co-organized with Como, a serious game offered by AFNOR, and a pitch challenge with a set of investors.
Nearly 10 startups participated to this pilot program supported by the EIT Manufacturing, during which they had the opportunity to meet and interact with actors from business, education, research, as well as public innovation agency. DeepInc schools are now fully established, repeatable and scalable, enabling us to widen our network, welcome new participants, and offer further support to the teams already on board.